Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. So checking back in on the biotech sector, we saw a little bit of a bounce off of key 200-week moving average support for the sector ETFs. We've got XBI and IBB that we're watching, and then we rejected from the 10-day moving average resistance. So looks like a little bit of a bear flag here of this short-term bounce, but the overall trend being bearish. With the big red bearish candlestick, you would expect increasing volume, so it's a little odd that we're seeing such small volume with such a big move to the downside. But what the bulls are going to be looking for is to establish a higher low compared to 49.42 and then make another attempt at the 10-day moving average resistance. And the bears are going to be hoping for a loss of that support and for lower lows to set in. So what I'm watching here for the biotech sector is the weekly chart. I'm watching the 200-week support and the middle Bollinger Band resistance on XBI. That range is tightening. Support is 50.50. Resistance is 53.37. And you can see we're right at that 200-week support. If we were to close below it, that would be bearish by the end of the day Friday. And let's compare it to IBB. The range is not as tight on IBB, but it's still worth watching. Each week it's going to get tighter and tighter, and a close below the 200-week means great sign for the bears. A close above the middle Bollinger Band means a good sign for the bulls. So we can see this clear downtrend resistance line that rejected these little bounce attempts. That's going to be a key level to watch as well. And looking for LABD to be the play while we wait for the bulls to try and establish support. Huge bullish day, close above the 50-day moving average resistance. If we can get above this 100-day resistance, that will be a very strong indication. That level is 54.54, and we'll see what tomorrow brings. But a pullback after the breakout, establishing a base around the 200-day moving average support, and continuing to the upside. So LABD looking good currently. Watch the weekly charts for XBI and IBB for some indication on the midterm trend of where we're headed with these biotechs. So thanks for watching the video. We've been covering these very closely in the chat room and on the live broadcast. So if you have not checked out the free trial yet, come on by and do so. There's lots more information to be had. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.